If you're looking for a free AI-powered trading bot or simply want to understand how AI trading signals work, you're in the right place. Today, we're testing Max Plus Bot, an AI-powered trading bot that analyzes trading charts and generates buy or sell signals based on its analysis. I'll show you exactly how the process works, from taking a screenshot of the pocket option chart, uploading it to the bot, and waiting for the AI to analyze the market. We'll then follow the signals and see how they perform in real market conditions, with every result shown throughout the video. So if you're curious to see what an AI trading bot can actually do, stay until the end. And remember, trading involves significant risk and can result in financial losses. This video is for testing and educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Let's get started. Let's test the bot. First, I'll take a screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is now analyzing the chart and generating a signal. The analysis is complete. The bot is suggesting a sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. The first signal was successful. Now let's test another chart. I'll take a new screenshot and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is analyzing the chart. The analysis is complete. Another sell signal has been received. Let's place the trade and follow the bot's analysis. The trade is now active. Position has closed. Trade win. This trade closed with a very comfortable margin. Now let's switch to a different currency pair and see how the bot performs. This time we'll use AEDCNY. I'll take a screenshot of the chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is analyzing the market conditions. The analysis is complete. A sell signal has been received. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. Another successful result on a different currency pair. And that's the result of today's test. We took 3 signals from Max Plus Bot, and all 3 signals ended in a win. If you want to test the bot yourself, getting access is simple. Just open Telegram and search for @TradeX Max Plus Bot. You can also find the bot link in the video description and pinned comment. Open the official link and follow the access process shown inside the bot. At the moment, you can also try 2 demo trades in test mode, so you can test the bot's signals before using a live account. If you like the bot and want full access, simply complete the required registration process through the bot's official link and deposit $200 into your pocket option account to get access to the bot for free. There is no separate charge for the bot, but the required registration and deposit conditions apply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.